Tell yourself this every day in every way, that you're beautiful. Society cannot change that. Tell them you can do it in both ways, and then turn around and slay. I'm gonna go ahead and talk quick because my mic did die, and I tried to let it charge. So I'm just wearing my pink outfit. It's probably like finna be 10 or it's like 9:30 or something like that. Probably go out to eat. They take me out to eat, y'all. I finished just in time. I am absolutely in love with the 2 packages that Colourpop sent me. Briana is fucking things up, y'all. This gold 5 eyeshadow period. Like, come on. And never thought that Colourpop eyeshadow would be this, because I've tried it before, and that was like what, 3 years ago, maybe 3. Yeah, I think it was 2 years ago, and it was okay. Maybe because it was me, I didn't know what to do with it, or didn't know how to blend as much as I do now. But baby, this shadow and this cut crease is popping. Also sent me some oil. I didn't try the oil, y'all. So they sent this oil. I didn't put it on my face in the beginning. I don't know. I don't like oils on my face. I wanted to try this, so let's try this right now. But oh, come on, so baby, it's giving that glow. They showed up and showed out. Colourpop did, and Colourpop is affordable. If you have a code, it's definitely Briana. Y'all, without further ado, I'm gonna keep y'all along. If y'all want to see how I achieve this beat, then keep on watching. Favorite brow product alert: Benefit brows. But yeah, this stuff right here, I love it. It makes the front look spiky. It's like a gradient brow. Anyways, I have the yellow background up because Colourpop sent me side up. Also sent me this Looking Sharp collection. I get a lot of PR, but I never review it or anything like that. So I did want to do a look with these PR packages. Like, yes, lip glosses. They got a clear lip gloss. They got all colors. They just be sitting there like collecting dust like this. They have this shadow palette. They have a lot of shadows, like cream shadows, stuff like that for this one. I wonder if this is like base, like paint pot, like cream shadows. Dang, that's crazy. I like that nude though. Looks like this. So pretty. Like, oh, I love these colors. I'm going to the It's a Ray of Sunshine. Morphe 332 brush. I did take my 167 to pat the first shade on. I'm taking my Morphe 332 and I'm going into this shade right here. Take these 2 colors right here, and this one is called Sunnies and Vibey. Definitely don't want your shadow looking like this. You want the world to see this blend, baby, okay? So we're gonna go back and reapply each shadow until your best ability in the way that you like it. I want to show y'all this right here. This is from Showstopper Beauty, but their Instagram name is TG Supply, I think. Don't get me wrong, I think that's the name of it. Right here, that is from her site, y'all. I want to make my own cut crease brushes. Then I customize, y'all already know. It's a cut crease brush, y'all can use it straight out the box, but I customize it, and I got a video on how to customize it. And I tell you that, so before you take my class, I tell you the brushes that you need for as far as eyes, not face or anything like that, just eyes and to cut the brush. So basically to blend the shadows and to cut. But yeah, this brush is like super flat. I made it, look at that. Super flat. Y'all don't have, or y'all can get the ones that I recommended on my site when you purchase, before you purchase your ticket. I'll tell you how to purchase these cut crease brushes. If you can't, use hers. If you are sitting in a class, I am going to be having a giveaway, so we have be having a first place, second, and third place. So the first place will be getting the biggest goodie bag, and then the second and third will be winning one of these. Got my crease, yes, pretty. Okay, so this brush I gotta cut some more because I just didn't think, I thought I cut it right, but it is a lot of straggly pieces on here. What I mean by Colourpop shadow, like shimmer shadow, is I tried to go into this. I might do this one. This one is called Flower Child. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna use my fingers. Thank you guys for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoy. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Share this video. If y'all like to see me review PR that I get, definitely let me know, because I would definitely will try it. Comment down below and let me know if y'all want me to review any PR that comes in due time, like after this video. I am in love with the stuff that Colourpop sent me, and this eye look is so pretty. These lips is bomb. I'll see you guys on the next one.